If you want to get paid every single day, without a boss, experience, or even talking to people, this video is for you. Here are 5 websites that pay you daily. You can do all of this faceless from your phone and even while working a full-time job. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with quick jobs like assembling furniture, running errands, or organizing. The best part? You can choose silent, solo tasks and get paid same day through direct deposit. Sign up, list your skills, and set your rate. People in your area will start booking you for tasks you actually enjoy. Rev pays you to transcribe audio, add captions, or subtitle foreign videos. No calls, no talking, just listening and typing. You get paid every Monday via PayPal, and the faster you get, the more you earn. If you like writing or using AI to help you write, TextBroker pays you to create short articles for blogs and businesses. You choose your assignments, and once the article is approved, you get paid, usually within 24 to 48 hours. Respondent.io pays you to participate in user research and surveys. We're talking $50 to $300 per session, and you don't need any special experience. Set up your profile, apply to projects, and once you complete one, you'll get paid via PayPal, sometimes the same day. Steady connects you with verified gigs that pay quickly. Whether you want local side jobs or remote freelance work, you'll find options that match your schedule, and they often pay out within 24 to 72 hours. Bonus: they offer cash boosts and income tracking tools too. If you're serious about making money without showing your face, you need to move like a system, not a side hustle. Subscribe to Money Moves Anonymous for more faceless income plays. We don't make noise, we make moves.